welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set a custom transaction fee in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device. Now, log in using your credentials. From the Balance tab, choose the cryptocurrency for which you want to set a custom transaction fee. This is usually done during the sending process. Tap on Send button and select the cryptocurrency from here. After that, input the recipient wallet address and specify the amount you want to send. Look for a section labeled Transaction Fee after clicking on Next button. Depending on application version, this might be displayed prominently or within advanced settings. Select Custom Fee. If the option for Custom Fee is available, choose Custom or Manual. You may see option for low, medium or high fees. Select the Custom option to enter your desired fee. Now, enter the amount you wish to set for transaction fee. Ensure it meets network requirement to avoid delays. Double-check all transaction details including the recipient address, amount and custom fee. Tap on Send or Confirm to initiate the transaction with your specified fee. If prompt, enter your passcode or use biometric authentication to complete the transaction. We have now successfully set a custom transaction fee in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.